Welcome guys. In today's video I'll be showing you guys 3 free apps you can make money from, and the beautiful part about it is that they have low minimum payouts, instant payouts, and available for all country. And also they have different payment methods such as PayPal, Bitcoin, gift card, and the rest. So stay with me to the end of the video. So I'll be starting with the third on the list. I won't be unveiling the name now. I want to show you about the app first, so that you guys won't just jump to the just go to your browser and enter this site and just start earning without you guys knowing the proper way to earn. So in this site here, you earn by completing survey, watching TVs, and doing some little offers, and it's eligible for all countries. You can sign up using your Facebook account, Google, or just sign up normally. And how it works here, is how it works. Step one, brands, that means the companies, they want engagement. So you are the members, you recruit me, and they recruit you guys, so you guys didn't work and see, you do the online actions and you earn from it. And these are the list of their rewards. They pay using Google Pay, Roblox, PlayStation Store, Microsoft card, PayPal card, Amazon card, and different gift card. This site is stored on my list because they have good testimony. As you can see, they are rated. As you can see, they are rated 4.91/5. As you can see, and there's over 128 reviews about them, and you can see they are rating them 5 star, 5 stars. You can see 5 star everywhere. So you can see, you can also read about it here. Read, this is the best survey I have used. So this site is third on my list. If you want to join, just go over to www.zoombox.com. That's the site link. There. You can see that's the site name there. Zoombox. www.zoombox.com. So I'll be going over to the next one, and the next one here is this. I won't be unveiling the name yet. So this one is quite different from the other one. You can see this one, they pay you with Skrill. They pay you with Skrill, Amazon, Bitcoin, PayPal, and Tango cards. So there are different payouts, and you can see they have paid total of this amount to all their members. That means to say this site is actually paying. And apart from that, you can see they have referral program. You earn by referral. You can they have low cash out threshold, and I think the threshold is just only $1. And there's cash contest, and there's fast payment, work from home. So what you do on this site is, you can see some withdrawal on August 26th. Yeah, I cashed out $3.56. As you can see sef, the minimum payout is even less than $1. So when you just work, you can cash out immediately. So what this site is all about is, you just answer survey, do little tasks. There are unlimited surveys on this site, so just try and join. So the name of the site is, so I want to unveil the name of the site. The name of the site is Offer Nation. As you can see, Offer Nation. So if you want to register, just go to www.offernation.com. or just search offer nation on your Google search and you see it. So I'll be going over to the third one, and the third one is the one I love most because it's the best, and it's called, okay, I'm not unveiling the name yet. This one you can see, make money online with free paid service. You can see fast payment 24 hours. That's why I love this. Low cash out threshold. You can see free paid surveys and offers, and most of all is that when you register you'll be given 20 cents for registering. So you just have to offer for 80 cents, then you can cash out because the minimum withdrawal here is $1. Yes, $1. Yes, $1. So the name of the site here is superpay.me. That's the site name, and you can see they have paid over $3 million to all their members, and they have over 1,715 reviews on Trustpilot, because Trustpilot is a site where they give reviews on any platform, whether they are legit or not. As you can see, you can get paid using PayPal, Tango Card, Amazon, Skrill, and Bitcoin. As you can see, join free today, easy to join, complete your registration in less than 2 minutes and receive 20 cents bonus when you join. Make money by taking part in paid surveys. We have hundreds of new surveys available every day. You can also earn by watching videos and completing paid offers. I see over 90% of our payment are paid within 8 hours by PayPal, Bitcoin, and Skrill. So I will endeavor you guys to join, because these are the three hot paying sites now with fast payouts, easy to earn, and they have many payment methods. So kindly hit the like button and comment down below your country so I can share more earning sites available in your country. Just comment your country, put your country name. If you are from Turkey, put Turkey. If you are from Nigeria, put Nigeria, so I can know your exact country, so I can post apps that is available for your country which you can earn from. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.